Hello everyone, welcome back. Work at Spotify Camp Nou keeps moving forward, and this week the progress is clear to see. From the busy construction zones to the newly formed structures, every part of the site shows steady growth. Crews are active across all sections, shaping concrete, setting up frames, and preparing the stadium for its next phase. It's another day of steady and visible progress across the site. Let's take a closer look at how the stadium is taking shape. If you're excited to see Camp Nou's transformation, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Up north, the site is even busier. Dozens of workers are securing reinforcement bars along the back of the stands. A large crane moves constantly, lifting materials and placing them on upper levels. The old walls are mostly gone, exposing clean concrete frames that show how the new and old parts of the stadium are being linked together. Around the main tribune, the progress is quite visible. Huge steel frames are being installed to support upper seating levels. Some parts already have fresh concrete poured inside the molds, while others are still under preparation. On the right-hand side, a crane is lifting heavy steel beams into place. From outside the fence, you can clearly see how tall the structure has grown. This will be the area for VIP seating, media sections, and key facilities. The diamond area continues to stand out with its unique design. Workers are busy adding panels and frames, giving more form to this eye-catching corner of the stadium. Inside the stadium, the lower stands are being reinforced and cleaned. Some sections are closed off while the concrete strengthens. The new beams and columns already show the final seating structure. As sunlight hits the fresh steel and concrete, you can imagine how modern and massive the stadium will look once it's done. High above the stands, steady progress can be seen on the upper structure and roof area. Massive steel beams are being lifted into place, forming the outline of the third cantilever. Workers are securing joints, welding connections, and aligning each section carefully. Some areas already have partial coverings, showing how the roof will extend over the stands. From a distance, the top of the stadium now looks more defined, a clear sign that construction is moving upward fast. There's solid progress in the parking zone. New walls and pillars have gone up, and workers are reinforcing the foundations with steel bars. Teams in helmets are spreading and leveling the concrete to strengthen the lower layers. Some stair sections are already complete, while others are still being shaped with wooden formwork. The site looks well prepared for the next phase, which will likely be a large concrete pour. Cranes stand tall, workers move across different sections, and the entire site feels alive with progress. The construction looks steady and well coordinated, giving a clear sense that the project is entering a more advanced stage. If you enjoyed this update and want to keep following the rebuild of Spotify Camp Nou, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps keep these updates coming. Let us know in the comments what part of the construction caught your eye the most. And stay tuned for the next progress video coming soon.